Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!